Alright, what's up? Here with Sweeney. About to shoot a lightsaber. See right there? Yeah, the lightsaber. Yeah, see right there? And lightsaber. Sweeney? Lightsaber. Gun. Rock. Alright. What's up? Yo.
I'm recording it.
I'm recording it. You got it?
Yeah.
Let's check it out. Oh, fuck. They're inside there. Holy, no.
No, it's the same one you did. Yeah, this is all the views right here.
There's like a, it's like, no, dude, look. It's like inside there.
Oh yeah, that's the one from earlier.
Oh, shit.
That's the one you did. Okay, we're gonna put that in there just like that or something like that. Just for the fuck of it. Show that after you hit it. Okay.
Yeah. Lightsaber, cup, box, Sweeney, shotgun, rock. Cause this is fucking rocks, dude. Rock. Rock.
Dwayne
Baby.
Johnson's over here.
Yeah, Dwayne Johnson's right here, man. What's up, Dwayne? How you doing? Looking a little yellow today.
Ready?
Yeah.
Ears are ringing.
Oh, yeah. Okay, I gotta try this shit now. I'll be able to probably fucking hit it. Let's look at this lightsaber. Let's get a close up here. Look at that. Oh man.
Parker, you're not even recording. Oh, you are recording.
Jeez.
It doesn't look like I used the iPhones.
Alright, here, I'll give you the camera. What's up, everyone? How you doing? It's the boy, cameraman here. Now, when you load a shotgun, the first tip is
Parker, shut up.
you know how to load a shotgun. So,
How are you doing, sir?
nice gun. Yeah, that's good.
You hit it. Put one more in. Watch where you fucking point that thing. You only loaded one?